this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got another gun book for you. How to customize your Glock. Okay, this is a very well put together book. Very, very good pictures. Step by step, and basically, here's the deal. This is mostly just a disassembly book. It talks about some things, and you see how it's got level 1, level 3, level 4, talking about difficulties, but basically it's going to tell you how to detail field strip your Glock, just like at a Glock Armor School, okay? And as a matter of fact, I bought this book before I went to Glock Armor School so that I wouldn't look stupid in the class. Basic field strip, disassemble, field strip, detail field strip, some expert stuff, whatever. So I think this is very well written, very high quality pictures, and it didn't cost a whole lot. So if you've got a Glock, or you've got friends with Glocks and you have a feeling that if there's ever a problem they're going to come to you, worth having, just so you know what to do with the gun. However, if it was me and this is what I did, I would just spend the $200, go to Glock Armor School, where you get a manual that's comparable to that, except for it came from the factory, and the ability to buy parts. So there you go, and that's my 2 cents. But until next time, you can always catch us online at PrepperBookshelf.com. Thanks.